Have you ever felt yourself a drone? Or have you ever had to measure corners without a proper tool nearby? I've also found a couple of cool gadgets for those who like to have their tools at hand. And there's something LEGO fans and hunters will appreciate. Are you ready to fly a drone like a boss? Meet the Jetson ONE, the ultimate personal aircraft that's unlike anything you've ever seen before. With its sleek racing bolide design and open cabin that fits one person, the Jetson ONE is like a real-life speeder bike from Star Wars. Imagine taking off and landing like a drone, soaring through the skies with ease, and feeling the wind in your hair as you fly at top speeds. The best part is, you don't need a pilot's license to fly it in the United States. And do you know how long it will take you to learn how to fly that thing? Just 5 minutes, all thanks to intuitive controls and a unique smart computer. This advanced piece of technology is made of lightweight aluminum and carbon fiber, and with 8 powerful motors driving an equal number of propellers, the Jetson ONE has a massive power output for effortless and enjoyable flight. Safety is always a top priority, and the Jetson ONE has got you covered with a race car-inspired safety cell that protects the pilot, can sustain continuous flight with the loss of one motor, has an auto-land function, and multiple safety features to protect the pilot in case of an emergency. The Jetson ONE has a flight time of 20 minutes and a top-level flight speed of 63 miles per hour. But, as you can imagine, such an advanced piece of technology doesn't come cheap. The Jetson ONE cost $92,000. But let me tell you, the experience of flying this thing is worth every penny. Imagine the look on your friends' faces as you soar above them. This one's for all the workaholics out there. Thanks to this working station, you can work in 4 positions. So whether you want to sit, stand, stretch your legs, or even lie, from now on you can do that without distracting from your work tasks. I hope I won't be slapped in the face by the monitor. All the parts are fully customizable, either manually or with the buttons on the desk. This way you'll reduce repetitive stress injuries, chronic back pain, and spinal. And don't worry, the keyboard and the mouse won't fall off the table. They're both equipped with strong magnets that keep them in place. In case you're more into gaming, there's a gaming seat by Puma. This chair will help you feel free to move about but stay in total control. And a couple of pockets help you to keep all your accessories in one place. Pack your toolkit with a Hoto multifunctional rotary tool kit. Okay, so this is a 35-in-1 device that has a super long battery life of up to 50 minutes. Moreover, it offers 5 speed adjustments, so you can use it for different materials. Furthermore, weighing only 8 ounces, it's lightweight and comfortable to hold as you work. With 35 high-performance accessories, it can do a ton of things: cutting, grinding, milling, cleaning, polishing, drilling, sanding, and engraving. Finally, it also has a gear memory setting to remember the last gear you used, resulting in an uninterrupted working session. Tired of missing your putts? The Inbirdie Tempo golf mat helps to develop the perfect putt by improving the putting distance, the putting angle, and most importantly, the putting tempo. The built-in motion sensors measure the attributes of every putting swing immediately displayed on the screen. After that, it keeps them in the app, so you could monitor your progress. You'll also get recommendations on your technique. The reflective plate at the end of the putting mat seamlessly bounces the ball back to its starting position to keep your game going. All this to allow you to continue putting without having to take any breaks. Now go show 'em who's the boss. Levels are helpful when hanging pictures evenly or putting up shelves. However, how do you measure corners and stairs? That's where the multifunction foldable level comes in. This handy gadget is a must-have for any handyman. With a length of 28 inches, the level gauge has 4 clear and intuitive blue bubble water bottles, providing accurate horizontal, vertical, and 45-degree readings for calibration. And if you need to measure a metal surface, the built-in magnets will keep the level securely in place. But the best part about the product is its foldable design. When you're done using it, just fold it for easier storage. That metal bee looks great. What? Is that a carabiner? Yep, Kootenay is a multi-purpose dual-zone carabiner. Why do you need 2 zones? Well, this feature makes it nearly impossible for important objects to accidentally fall and get lost. So the first zone might be used for clipping this thing to your jeans, while the other will keep all your stuff safe and sound, and most importantly, easy to access. Got too much stuff, so you need 2 zones? No problem, there's a metal clip on the back. Finally, Carabiner is made of titanium, so it'll serve you for ages. Here's a bit more compact option. You still get 2 zones to hang your stuff and a clip to hang the accessory on your belt. But let's face the truth, the first one looks way more epic. Why would you need a metal pill? 'Cause it's sharp. Remove the cap and you'll get a nice tiny cutter for various needs, whether it's paper, box, or wire. This pill cuts everything with ease. The thing is, this tool is entirely made from a solid piece of titanium, and it comes with a quick-release carabiner that makes carrying absolutely effortless. There's also an included rubber plug that stores the cap when it's removed. Anyone who owns more than a few neckties has already faced the problem of how to keep them organized and ready to wear. This motorized tie and belt rack can hold up to 72 ties and 8 belts. The device runs on batteries and installs over any standard closet rod in a few minutes. Once you're done, hang the ties and use 2 buttons to make that lower part rotate in either direction. The built-in LED will help you to find the needed tie even quicker. Could anyone invent something similar for the socks? Enjoying the outdoors, but that cold wind spoils all the fun. Your hands can become stiff and difficult to move, which can make even simple tasks like buttoning a jacket or holding onto objects painful. Koala Bag is at your service. Aside from dozens of pockets for your stuff, it's equipped with a carbon fiber heater generator that starts heating within 3 seconds. Voila! Feel free to warm your hands. Since this accessory was designed to be used outdoors, all the components are waterproof and safe to use. This is the multi-tool we've been waiting for. It's a bottle opener. Aside from that, there's a pry to get rid of nails and staples, but it may also double as a flathead driver or a cutter. In addition, there's a hex holder in the middle with a Phillips cross head bit for quick fixes on the go. Isn't it handy to have some EDC tools integrated right into your belt? These compact tool packs were designed specifically for action sports. There are 3 different combinations for bikes, snowboards, and skateboards. Each of them includes everything you might need for a quick repair: a bunch of wrenches, 2 types of screwdrivers, and a safety blade. The skateboard version also features a round file, while the bike tool stands out with a tire lever. Overall, there are 17 different tools to choose from. The belt that holds your tools is actually sold separately, but it's definitely a perfect combo. This one is a truly iconic piece of tech for all of us who grew up on the Back to the Future movies and who are in love with Lego. This Back to the Future car building set is designed especially for adults looking for their next immersive project. The famous gull doors open just like in the movies, and the tires fold down for flight mode. That's how a meditation for the geeks looks like. But there's still something missing. Let's add some light with this LED lighting kit. It contains dot lights, expansion boards, connecting cables, battery holder, and adhesive squares you'll need to upgrade your little DeLorean. Don't worry, there's also a step-by-step instruction inside. Going on an adventure? You need to pack all the essentials. Tego Adventure Kit differs a lot from any other average traveling bag. It consists of 7 sections that you slide together to create a bag that suits you best. There's a waterproof compartment, 2 mesh zipper pockets, numerous elastic straps, cord wraps, 2 big mouth pockets, and even an exterior pocket. The kit is durable and easy to organize the stuff of any shape and size. So whether you need toiletries or bike tools, dongles or dog toys, charges or cables, you'll do that effortlessly. Now roll that thing. The adventure is waiting for you. Is that a power bank? Nope, that's a laser distance meter that'll help you with efficient and accurate measurements. Okay, now push the button to measure distance or angles. Voila, everything's on the screen already. Need to measure the area? Okay. Volume maybe? No problem. Wow, you say you need a 3D map. Well, you need this Leica laser scanner. It creates a 3D digital twin while you walk through a space. It is the fastest and easiest way to scan a large building, structure, or environment. Connect the device to your phone or PC and use the results for better working. Is that a console? Why is it so thick then? The truth is, it's a handheld gaming PC that may double as a console. As you can see, it looks like a Sony PSP with those dual Hall sensor joysticks, classic style D-pad, and linear analog trigger buttons with LED lighting. There are also usual gaming buttons, including 2 custom buttons on the back of the handheld gaming PC, which can be configured. The 6-inch Full HD touchscreen supports both 40 Hz and 60 Hz frame rates. This means you can play older games on GPD WIN 4, but the top-notch filling actually allows you to play AAA games for several hours on end. I want to play Cyberpunk a little. Is it time to work already? Push the display to reveal a QWERTY keyboard. And don't forget to take some accessories, like this docking station and a 4G module. This one's for all the hunters out there. Yeah, it's actually a crossbow, as opposed to the traditional perpendicular arrangement. Here, the tiny carbon steel micro limbs are packed alongside the body. But yeah, it looks more like a rifle. The bow uses a lower 170-pound draw weight that uses a 24-inch power stroke. The result is a crossbow that delivers more energy and accuracy to the bolt. The armament doesn't take more than a minute. Plus, there's an anti-firing safety to keep you away from accidental shots. Finally, it looks absolutely dope.